Hello, my friends, it's Irene Claire. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I liked the butterfly cut so much that I am going to do it again. And this time I'm going to style it curly for you so you see what it looks like.
And if you haven't seen it, here is the short that I created. This here was the first time I tried out the butterfly cut on myself. And here's where I realized you're supposed to cut under your fingers, not over, because you lose control of the hair that way. But you learn from your mistakes, right? So this short is obviously sped up so you can see it really fast. And at the end, I show what it looks like when it's blown out. In today's video, I'm going to slow it down for you so you can see all the steps a little bit more closely, and then I'm going to style it for you curly. So stick around if you want to watch the whole demonstration, or you can just fast forward to the end and see what it looks like when I style it curly. And here it is, blown out straight. I was so happy with the results.
I think the hardest part of the butterfly cut is getting that line straight. Start at the top of your head and then you go right down to your ear. Now it's getting the other side to match.
I'm being very meticulous here because I don't want to screw it up.
I think that's close enough.
Try to get everything smoothed out and as even as you possibly can.
So you put it right here like a unicorn. And then this one goes all the way up here. Now, since I just did this not too long ago, I'm just gonna do a little trim today. I'm not gonna take off much, so I know when you do the cut, you're supposed to take off like a good amount, but I'm not gonna do that. It's just a little trim today. And you take off the same amount on both tails, pulling it out that way. And the other one you're going to do at the same angle.
Sorry, I totally thought that you could see what I was doing from this angle. My apologies. I didn't realize my hand was covering up what I was cutting. Now take the ponytail and cut into it at a slight little angle. You want to thin out that blunt cut. I have no idea what this technique is called, but I went ahead and I did it twice because I wanted to make sure that it didn't have like a really hard edge or look like a shelf on my head. I did one last little inspection and then I moved on to the other ponytail. Now make sure to smooth it out and get everything even.
Better if I could see.
Cut into it again, softening up those edges.
Okay, I'm gonna style it curly for you now. There it is, the butterfly cut with my hair curly. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and if you would try this cut out. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and yeah, comment because I need to know you're there. Until next time, my friends, Irene Claire, out.